second grade, Miss Shannon here to introduce our essential question for this week. This week, we are asking, how are offspring like their parents? All of the stories we will read this week in reading will have to do with baby animals and their parents. In this picture, you can see an adult penguin and a baby penguin. This week, we will also be reading a story about eagles and eaglets, which are baby eagles, and bears and baby bears. Let's watch a video about animals and their parents. Baby animals. How are offspring like their parents? This lion cub is like her mother in many ways. She looks almost identical to her and has similar coloring. As this lion cub grows, she will learn to hunt and take care of herself, just like her mother. Like their parents, these baby penguins have thick coats that keep them warm. They also have beaks and flippers. When they are a little older, they will learn to swim in the sea and hunt for food. But there are other things they have to learn first. Here you can see a baby penguin learning to waddle across the ice, just like his dad. So second graders, those are just a few examples of how offspring, which are babies, how offsprings are like their parents. You saw how the lion and the lion cub looked identical almost. They had similar coloring, which means their fur was the same color. We learned about how baby penguins have thick fur, just like their parents. And so, like I said, this week we will be learning about bears and eagles and how the offspring are like the parents. You are now going to go to Flipgrid and offer an example of how offspring are like their parents. You could use an example from this video we just watched, or if you happen to know about other animals that have babies and you know some information about them, you can share that with the other second graders on Flipgrid. I look forward to listening to your responses. Bye, second grade.